Hi, I'm Alexander, and today I'd like to talk to you about a style from the Amore Collection. This is Mira. I love Mira. What do I like about it to begin with? Well, first, she's a bob, and I love bobs. What I like about it is the texture of the bob. It's not straight, it's not curly, it's almost like you have a natural wave in your hair and you're going with it, which I really like. I love those kind of natural imperfections in hair, that organic, beautiful feel. And Mira has that very, very timeless haircut. If I show you from the side, well, let me show you the front. So we have a bit of a lace front here, so it looks very, very natural when growing out of the scalp. Of course, we have a long sideward bang, which sits just below or on the cheekbone. And we have face framing layers. You can see how they're hugging around the face, very flattering indeed. When I come to the back, you can see we've got that lovely movement in the back, but it's still a solid bob with that little kick and movement to it. I just love this. Then the side continues that gorgeous shape, and here she is. Mira is a heat-friendly style with a mono top, extended lace, soft net with hand-tied, and adjustable straps in at the nape.